How to craft bombs in Terraria. So first, it is important to know that you cannot craft the basic bomb itself. There is no recipe for it at a workbench or anvil. Instead, you have to find your first few bombs by breaking pots like this. As you can see, I got some bombs, or just basically opening up chests. So if there's no bomb in a chest, just simply find another one. Or once you have at least one explosive in your inventory and an empty house, the demolitionist NPC will move in, allowing you to buy an unlimited supply of bombs from him. However, you can craft upgraded bombs which are arguably better. So just find yourself a workbench, then if you combine one bomb and one gel, you can basically create a sticky bomb right here. So I'll craft one myself. As you can see, I now have one sticky bomb. But if you're looking for something more chaotic, you can combine a bomb with a pink gel to make bouncy bombs just like this. So it's the same, you just need one bomb and one pink gel to craft one bouncy bomb. So here I'm just going to craft it and let's try to use it. So as you can see, it just bounces everywhere, then just pops, and while the sticky bombs, it sticks to the first surface it comes to contact with. You can see right there, just like that. And that's how you basically craft bombs in Terraria.